So what we're going to do, it would be nice if we could specify the name here in our prompt. The problem is that it's going to be different every time we run that prompt. Or it's going to be different for each of those two variables. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to add a parameter to our function that will allow us to specify a name that we want to get. So let's create a name, or let's just create a parameter. Let's call this variable name. And then in our prompt, for variable, so what we'll do, oh whoops, I need to, there we go. Okay, so now when we run this function, when it prints out variable name, it depends upon what we pass in for variable name. So let's make sure that we have this on both lines. All right. So where does the arguments for this function go? How do I get something into variable name? Well, I don't have, well, I have to be able to get something into variable name. Where does that something need to go? That's right.
What did she say?
It's up here inside of getInt. So remember, this is where we specify arguments, is in these double quotes, or in these parentheses. Okay, so now the first time we call getInt, gummy worm is going to get passed in as variable name, and then every time I have variable name, gummy worm is going to be printed out. Then the second time I run this, I'm going to get purple potato. And now purple potato is going to get called in for variable name and printed out there. Okay, so please enter a whole number. Oh, I need a space there. A whole number for a variable gummy worm. Yeah, and then it prints out enter a whole number for a variable purple potato. There we go. So let me add in a space. Yes. Okay, so please enter a whole number for gummy worm. And then please enter a whole number for variable purple potato.
So my variable's undefined. Oh, I should do my own thing.
Today. Tomorrow.
I bet that's what mine is. The spelling's not the best.
All right. I need 2 more variable names.
Ooh. Purple people eater.
Purple people eater. All right, well then, somebody else give me a variable name then. Bob.
Wow, thanks.
All right. All right. What I would like you all to do is I'd like you to write your own functions.
I would do them good with you right now.
I would like you all to write your own functions called getFloat. Okay? So we're going to get real numbers in from the user. It's going to be very similar to your getInt. So read in real numbers for purple people eaters as well as Bob.
Question.
Yes.
Can you help me figure out why?
Sure. I'd be happy to. Or actually, I'm sure Abe would be happy to. All right. Any questions or what I'd like you to do?
So if you come up with a new variable and within that new function,
Actually, you can use the same variable name.
you can use candidate again?
You can reuse candidate again because candidate is only good inside of the function.
That'll explain why it's undefined.